Hello po! This time gagawa naman tayo ng grilled banana or ginanggang in 3 flavors. First, with butter and sugar. Next, with melted chocolate. The third flavor, with coconut caramel sauce plus almond nuts. Tara, umpisa na natin. So, kailangan lang natin balatan ang ating saging. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng wooden skewers or sticks. Pagkatapos, pwede na natin siya i-grill between 30 to 40 minutes over low heat. This Filipino street food originally grilled directly on the charcoal. Siguro mga around 20 minutes, pwede na natin i-transfer dyan aside. Then continue to grill the next batch. Paalala lang po, dapat naka-low heat para hindi madali masunog ang ating saging. While waiting, gawin na po natin ang ating coconut caramel sauce. We need 1/2 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Haluin lang po natin. Hintayin lang po natin kumulo. Add in 2 tablespoons muscovado sugar na may almond nuts. In few minutes, magiging sticky na yan. Tas, set aside. So, ito na po. Yung first flavor natin na with butter and sugar. Babrush lang natin ng butter ang ating saging. Pag wala po tayong butter, pwede naman yung margarine. Tapos sprinkle with sugar. Kayo na lang po mag-adjust kung gaano karaming butter and sugar ang ilagay nyo. Tapos yung next flavor with melted chocolate. Microwave 80 grams chocolate for 30 seconds. Iko-coat lang natin ng melted chocolate ang ating saging. Pag may mga kids kayo sa bahay, siguradong magugustuhan nila ito. Okay? Tapos iko-coat na rin yung ibang saging. Yung ating third flavor with coconut caramel sauce plus almond nuts. Ibabrush lang natin sa ating saging. Ayan. Ito na pong ating finished products. Tikman na natin. Lalo na po sa mga kapwa ko OFW, try nyo na po to. Madali lang naman gawin. Happy tummy! Thank you for watching. Bye for now.